Bagnaia is number one in the first ever TSO sprint race, and he takes the feature full-length race win. Bagnaia, he wins the Spanish Grand Prix here in Jerez.
Oh, contact, Miguel, and
Bagnaia's gone down. The adrenaline is pumping through their veins. Take a bow, that was utter domination. Oh, they touch coming through the final corner. Absolutely sensational from the world champion.
Oh no,
Bagnaia's gone down. That was so scary. An incredible podium, one of the toughest podiums of his Grand Prix career. Oh, he's gone full in there. Oh, Bagnaia! Oh, can you believe it?
A costly error.
Bagnaia showing just why he's the reigning world champion. A massive victory in Mandalika. Bagnaia versus Martin. Oh, they touch the two-title rivals, elbow to elbow. This is the title showdown we've all been waiting for.